Welcome to the heart of Tehran, the Grand Bazaar. This is not just a market, it's a living museum, a place where every alley whispers stories from centuries ago. From the scent of spices to the shimmer of handmade carpets, this is where Iran's culture truly comes alive. If you love discovering hidden corners of the world through real-life POV walks and drives, make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey, because today we're stepping into one of the oldest and most fascinating markets in the Middle East.
Welcome to Tehran's Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and most fascinating marketplaces in Iran. A living piece of history that continues to beat at the heart of the capital. Located near 15 Khordad Street, this massive maze of covered alleys, domed ceilings, and busy courtyards has been the commercial soul of Tehran for more than 200 years. The Grand Bazaar is not just a place to buy and sell. It's where the story of the city itself unfolds. As you walk through its narrow lanes, you'll hear the echo of footsteps, the hum of conversations, and the rhythmic sound of merchants calling out their goods. Every corner feels alive, filled with colors, scents, and textures. From hand-woven Persian carpets and copper crafts to fragrant spices and shining jewelry, everything here tells a part of Iran's cultural identity. Historically, the bazaar dates back to the Safavid era, but most of its current structure was built during the Qajar dynasty in the 19th century. Back then, it was more than a marketplace. It was the city's main center for communication, economy, and even politics. Many important decisions in Iran's modern history, including movements during the Constitutional Revolution, began right here inside these walls. If you look up, you'll notice the beautiful brick arches and traditional skylights that let the sunlight gently filter in. The architecture was designed to keep the temperature cool in summer and warm in winter, a perfect blend of art and practicality. The Grand Bazaar stretches over 10 kilometers of walkable paths, divided into sections known as rostas, each one dedicated to a specific craft or trade. There's a lane for goldsmiths, another for carpets, one for spices, and even a section for old coins and antiques. Some of these shops have been run by the same families for generations. And when you get tired, there are hidden traditional tea houses, chaikhane, tucked behind the shops. Places where merchants and travelers rest, sip tea, and talk about life. Sitting there, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time, surrounded by the aroma of saffron tea and the quiet murmur of the bazaar. Today, despite modern shopping malls and online stores, Tehran's Grand Bazaar remains a vital part of the city's heartbeat. Thousands of people visit every day, locals buying essentials, tourists exploring, and traders negotiating deals just like they did centuries ago. Walking through this bazaar isn't just a trip through space, it's a journey through time. Every brick, every voice, and every product tells a story of tradition, resilience, and community. So if you ever come to Tehran, don't miss the chance to lose yourself in its endless corridors, because somewhere between the spice shops, the carpet stalls, and the echoing domes, you'll discover not just the bazaar, but the very soul of Iran.
همه کارو بکنه مثلا فلان کنه بعد